Welcome back to the Jungly Show. And today we'll try to see how to debug the code that is written in the first part in VS Code. And keep in mind that this video series is no way a tutorial. Okay, I'm not trying to create a tutorial. I'm just trying to learn myself and with that maybe share this thing with you guys. So let me go ahead and see how to debug this in VS Code, right? So let me open the terminal, PowerShell, hmm, and I can try to run this app. Check if everything is working fine or not. It's running, and yeah, we have the hello world and 30. So hello world and 10 plus 20, so 30. Nice. And the thing is, so from that, I think now we understand that when an .NET application runs, so this is the program.cs is the entry point where it starts executing its code, right? So if I want to debug this code like this and have a debugger, which I think is a very important thing if we want to write code, right? So I think we have something called this extension. Okay, we need to install this extension in VS Code, and I think this would help us in uh, debugging the .NET applications, right? So if you do not have this, go ahead and install it. Okay. And one more thing that I would like to say is even if you are installing and if it somehow doesn't works, try to go to the extension settings and somewhere in this place, in this user tab, come down and see where is that? Okay. Okay, this SDK path. So we'll try to create a launch.json file using this, which would help us in debugging this kind of .NET applications. But if it doesn't works with you, try this out. Try this and give this an SDK path. Okay, if it works very well. So I'll close this and I'll go to this run and debug section and I'll click on this generate C# assets for build and debug. Okay, so most probably it has created, you can see a .vs code folder, and inside that there is these two files, launch.json and this tasks.json. Okay, so when you do this, you would see these two files here. And then going back here, so I have this run button right here. If you see the name of it is .NET Core Launch Console. So this name you could see here actually. .NET Core Launch Console and one more .NET Core Attach. So these are the names we can see here. Let me just put a debugger here and run it from the debug using this debugger. clicked on it. Just wait and see if it works or not. Okay. See, the debugger came here and this is step over F10, next line. So we do a F10, should come to this line, it printed hello world here. Then F10 initializes the variable A, nice. Then the variable B, then F10, it prints 30 and comes out of the program. Nice. Okay. So see you on the next video where we'll try to convert this project into a web API project. Till then, have a good day.